tomorrow is game day parking.
Tomorrow's game day parking. What are we here to do?
Haley's volleyball tournament.
A tournament?
Yeah.
Or a game?
Okay.
You gonna watch it? Got Papa here. He's gonna watch the game with us. Yeah. So we gotta find out where we're going. I'm walking backwards. About to fall. Oh, nice. So Macy, tell us about that game.
It was fun.
It was intense.
Everyone was screaming.
It was an intense game, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So do you want to play volleyball now?
No.
Please?
Why?
Because you'd love it. You'd have fun.
I don't like getting whacked in the face by the volleyball.
Well, you don't let the volleyball whack you in the face, you whack the volleyball. You think you can handle that?
Me?
Well, you're fast enough to block my punch right now, right? Oh, no you're not. No, you're not.
No.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Hey. Oh, no, you're not fast enough. Oh, there you go, yeah! What's up, Macy?
Hello.
What are you doing?
It's me.
You doing some homework?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Knock it out, man. Knock it out.
Literally, can I punch it and knock it out? I'd love to knock out my homework.
Sure, go ahead. Well, you don't rip it.
Cut it. Cut it right there.
So we got back from Haley's game and, well, oh, looks like a truck came by. That was weird.
Did it stop at our house?
Yeah, maybe it's, oh, FedEx. It's FedEx. FedEx guy. Rocky. Oh, Rocky. Hey, come here. Rocky. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Rocky! Rocky. Come on, Rock. Come on. Oh no, that was bound to happen. Get inside.
What happened?
Oh, it's just fragile. Fragile. He tripped over the skulls out there. The little wire was there. Okay, that's so weird. So FedEx came, didn't ring the doorbell, but left a package at the front door. I hate it when they do that. Just ring the doorbell so we know, so we'll come and check it out. And
He never knows if we're asleep or not. Is it important?
It's 7:30 at night. I'm not sure what it is, but still, isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Come on. Anyway, so we got back from the game. My dad already left to drive back home. Chas and Haley will be coming home a little bit. So Macy's finishing up some homework, getting it done. Oh look, my dad brought this. This is my old photo album of me as a kid, as a baby, as a kid, as a baby. That's me. That's me right there. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Look, Macy, we had a cat. We had a cat named Frisky.
I thought you didn't trust cats.
I don't trust cats. Maybe that's why. So we had a cat named Frisky. And then we had a dog. Let me see. Oh, there's my dog. Fritzy.
Oh.
Yeah. Frisky and Fritzy.
Did it grow to be big?
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than that, but she was, oh, there she is again. But yeah, she was a pretty small dog. Oh, I want to see the best. Do you want to see one of the best Christmases ever?
Yeah.
Like when I think about Christmas, for some strange reason, I think of this Christmas. And maybe it's because of this, but I think of, oh, there we are, Christmas morning. I remember those roller skates, a guitar, and I remember my sister got this huge dollhouse. Look at that, two-sided, elevator up the middle, and I remember this toy shotgun, and I remember aiming it at her.
That photo?
Yeah, I remember that photo. I got a football themed bedroom. Oh, I wasn't too happy about the orange. But I had my Superman pajamas on. I remember that photo for some strange reason. Isn't that crazy?
You're just aiming the shotgun.
Alright, so we're gonna finish up some homework and I'm gonna go find out what that package was about. So, I didn't think too much about this. This is insane. What if it's not? Okay, hold on. You know what? Okay, here's what's going on. So, I set the package up like this and it happened to fall over and I was like, oh, it's no big deal. It's nothing breakable. Then it's got a fragile sticker on it. Macy was like, do you know who it is? And I said, or do you know what it is? And I said, no, I don't. But Macy, after looking at it, could this be the play button? Could it be, like, look at the size. Look at the size.
Could it be?
Okay. Now, here's another reason why I say that is look at what it says up at the top. The Greers. Why would it say the Greers right there? And oh my goodness, this might be the play button. It says Awardcraft. Oh,
It's here!
Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out.
We have to wait till they get home. We're opening it tonight.
My heart is like racing right now. What if it's not? What if it isn't? What if
It's been through a lot, or it's raining right now.
No, I don't know what
Earlier
that stuff
it
is.
was. Earlier it was.
I don't know.
sprinkling.
No, that's like grease stains or something. Oh my goodness! It might be. I mean, there's a really good chance. Whoo! Just breathe. Just breathe. Okay.
You can do a Rocky.
Okay.
Rocky's breathing.
All right. Okay. We're not gonna open this without you guys.
Well, without Haley.
Or Haley and Chaz, of course.
We'll probably do it in a little bit.
We'll peek on it. I'm just kidding, guys. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do it. She's gonna finish her homework so we can enjoy the plaque. Oh, what if it's not? I'm so worried. What's up, dude?
Hey.
Champion.
My voice is like all.
Yeah, were you yelling?
Yeah, because I was really close on the B and A group.
Oh yeah. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You did. Look at that face paint and everything, man.
Yeah. Somebody's mom made this for us.
Oh, really?
For everybody.
That is awesome.
It says my name.
Oh, Haley.
And I had a Gatorade, and I turned it down whenever it went to the third set. So it was like, and I gave the whole thing just like that.
What's going on?
What is that?
There's a package.
From who?
It says fragile.
From who?
Huh?
From who?
Should we just open it? Find out who?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I feel like Macy knows. She knows.
Did you order something, Macy?
Did I? I just want to say it's something special.
For who? You? For the
Sort
family?
of. Sort of.
From the family?
Okay, let's
For the
see.
family?
Let's see. It's mostly for me.
What?
It's mostly for me.
It's mostly for you?
Yes.
You know what it is, Macy?
Yes.
Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
Wait!
You don't know what it is?
I think I know what it is.
You do?
It's for me though.
Mom doesn't know.
It's for me.
It's for me. It's for me.
It's for me.
It's for me.
I ordered it on Amazon.
That's for me.
Yeah, I ordered it on Amazon too.
What? What do you think it is, Haley? It's fragile.
Yeah, right. It was me.
Huh? You
Give
ready?
me the chills. Give me the chills. Here it is.
Oh, you just made the spider go off.
Here it is.
Alright girls, let me film you opening this up. Alright.
Whoa.
Yay. I'll pass it
Give it to
over.
the owner.
Look at that box.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Leave it flat because you don't want to break it.
Ready to reveal? Okay, you've done something very few YouTuber creators accomplished. You had a 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, and we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone.
Yay! That's an awesome little letter. Let's set that to the side. We don't want it to
Are you
get
ready?
messed up.
Ready?
Are you ready? There it is! There it is!
Let's wait.
Wait, careful, careful.
Oh, that is so awesome.
The Greers.
The Greers,
I feel like it should go right
congratulations
there.
for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Okay, Macy, pick it up first. How does it feel, Macy?
Beautiful.
It feels beautiful?
Look, it's velvet.
Oh. How does it feel, Haley?
It feels awesome. I can see my own self.
Alright, pass it to Mom.
Wow.
Whoa, how does it feel, Chess?
The Greers. That's amazing.
careful.
All those times you pressed record from behind the
They
camera?
said 3, 2, 1.
That's right, she did.
Let's hand it over to the guy behind it.
Oh, I don't know about
And in
that.
front.
Oh,
Let's give
yay.
it to the people who were in the videos.
And the person who subscribed to us, each 100,000 of you.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a great idea.
Yay.
Here you go, Russ. You get to hold it now. Man, this is lighter than I thought.
Yeah, it is a little bit lighter.
What do you think?
I was thinking it was a solid, like the play button was like a solid
That's
chunk,
a solid,
like a solid chunk of
solid
metal.
play button.
Because I know the insider, because they cut things in house to see, they cut that in half.
That's right, they
Or 1 million thing.
They did both, I think. All right, girls, let's get a picture with you two.
Hello, this is Haley and Macy, and welcome to the Haley and Macy Blind Bag Review. Happy Halloween! So today we have, today we have My Little Pony and Minecraft. Okay, so we got 2 Minecraft each.
So, you want to know a funny story?
Yeah, what's the funny story?
Macy, should we tell everybody what happened?
I don't like the look of this. What is going on?
Okay, so this is not what happened, but we did drop the play button.
What?
Yeah. So, Rocky ran outside, and I had the box there, and he was running out. I had no other choice than to get him. I didn't know it said fragile on the box. The box and fell over. And so as soon as we got it inside, Macy was like, what if it broke? What if it cracked?
Had a big crack.
Oh,
way
my
over
goodness.
It across there.
Yeah. So anyways, we were just telling you the story about it us dropping it.
That's crazy.
And so it wasn't
Really
dropped
good
like that.
padding, so it's a good
Yeah.
thing it had that
Yeah.
nice box.
And that's a lot of padding.
It is a lot of padding. The box is really cool. I don't know. I think I might like the box just as much
I do
or
too.
even more than. No, I like that silver.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
we should probably pick this up off the ground.
I want to display this box though.
Do you?
I do.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know.
Put it in my room?
You know, I may even open it and like just have it like this, like display or something.
What?
It's
Oh, the
cool,
play button
man.
inside it?
We should have it in a museum.
Oh my goodness. Y'all are getting a little crazy
We should have
now.
security cameras. We should have like stuff laid out of our first Friday.
Why don't you move a little scarecrows over and then we'll put
Make
this
one.
in its. Whoa, don't knock them down. Easy, Macy. Okay, so for now we can put this up here so that everybody can enjoy it. All right.
Even me.
Even you, even everyone. So we have its own light
Change
for
it to red, because you know YouTube is red.
Good idea.
Oh, nice.
Good idea, Macy. We want to change it to red. Here we go. Oh, there we
It
go.
sounds like Spy. Well, it looks like a spy movie.
Like a spy movie. Oh yeah, like you're trying to steal it from this room or
Those are
something.
the lasers.
Okay. Whoa! Woo, woo, woo.
That's not really.
Oh, yeah, that was awful.
That sounds like a alarm.
Hello?
What does the alarm sound like?
Yeah. Careful, Macy. Oh, no, no, no. Oh.
What are we talking about?
And it just, yeah, we're talking about it dropping. We need to enjoy it in here, so we'll go with the one light for now. Guys, we really do want to thank all of you for all your amazing support. So we really do appreciate every single one of our subscribers. Our videos aren't getting that many views right now, but you know what? We have all of you, those of you that are still watching. We really do appreciate and love all of you. So thank you so much for allowing us to do what we love and make videos for an awesome audience. Thank you guys so much for all the amazing support and bringing this silver play button to our home. And we hope that we've at least brought some happy memories, some laughs into your home as you watch our videos. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.